home base here, the American Contractor booth, which is actually the private equity lounge. And with us today is Kyle Adamson from All-Star Roofing. Thank you so much, Kyle, for hanging out with us and sharing a little bit of what you guys do and why you decided to help us build this private equity lounge.
Thanks for sponsoring it, man. It's a great venue. I mean, everyone's been walking by saying this is the spot to be. We got the couches, we got the big ass screen that everyone's looking at. It's been cool, and we couldn't have done it without your help.
It's been a lot of fun because this is a totally different concept than what we normally do at trade shows. And this is like way more relaxed. People have just been hanging out. But we've been talking about private equity because this is the hot topic in the industry right now. At the end of the day, there's a lot of private equity coming in, which is changing the way that we do business and, giving a lot of really cool opportunities to contractors and to their employees and to the people that work in these organizations and helping up-level stuff. But you guys are a big part of that. You guys are making some huge moves in our space.
Yeah, it's been exciting so far. So I work for All-Star Roofing. We're based in Minneapolis. We're owned by Morgan Stanley, right? So All-Star is Morgan Stanley's first platform into the roofing space. We're looking to find other residential roofing businesses across the country, really, and bringing great owners that want to keep running the business on a day-to-day basis, but can leverage some of the benefits a company like All-Star has to offer, right? So you mentioned the employee benefits. That's a great thing that we can bring to a lot of companies. But on top of that, we're helping invest in the businesses, right? Marketing side, bring processes and improvements that we can make to help you run your business on a day-to-day basis even better than you're already doing today.
Yeah, and I think a lot of people get spooked when they hear the word private equity or like this capital that's coming into our space. And like, what does that mean? Is it good? Is it bad? And there's kind of like two schools of thought there. There's the whole like fear part of it where everyone's like, oh crap, this is going to change our industry, which yes, it is. But I think it's an improvement more than it really is something bad to our space.
Yeah, I think so. I mean, I'm biased for sure, but no, I think we are bringing money and investments that is going to help improve businesses, right? And the thing that I like most about it is that we can help you offer better benefits to your employees, right? Like things that, I mean, a $10 million roofing company, they may not have the funds and resources to be providing health insurance and disability insurance and a 401k. So things like that, and then also investing in, like I said, processes and systems to help you with your sales processes, right? Help you with your marketing. We're really focused on, we think there's a lot of businesses that could be doing a lot more if they just had more leads coming their way, right? So if we can invest on the marketing side, the SEO, the optimization side to bring more leads to your company, and we think we know that they'll close them and increase the sales from there.
And I love that. And it's so cool that we're getting this attention from this, this sector of the economy that's looking at roofing. But it also begs the question, why are you guys even looking at roofing right now? Like, what's the attraction here?
Yeah, I think it's a couple of different things, right? So first and foremost, really steady cash flows because there's such demand and it's a non-discretionary spend, right? So if your roof breaks or if your roof has a leak in it, you got to get that fixed right away. It's not something that I can defer and do later and later, right? So private equity really likes how steady the cash flows are. And then I think there's some other benefits, right? So putting services businesses together, it's not like putting manufacturing business together where you got to move a whole facility, right? So if there are things we can do to help make your business more efficient, we're not going to come in and take people out or get rid of people in your office that are doing great work today. But if we can supplement that, and just from our office in Minneapolis, if we can help you grow and help supplement with things like HR or insurance benefits or whatever it might be to help make your business more efficient on a day-to-day basis, those are things we want to be doing. So I think that's probably one of the main reasons that private equity is really interested in the space today.
And I love that. You guys are figuring out what we've known here for a long time. Is like, this is a good place to be. It's a good industry. It's needed. It's essential. And now you guys have figured that out, and you're helping us out. And hopefully the industry understands like this is a good thing. Like this is something that other industries have gone through. Yeah. We've looked at HVAC. We've done interviews with them. We've studied what's happened in the past. And at the end of the day, this just solidifies and sophisticates our industry in a way that every industry should have to go through at some point.
And it's not going to be the right fit for everyone, right? Like there's a lot of businesses doing great work today that may not need private equity money. They may not want private equity money. There's a lot of small businesses today, and not everything is going to be a fit for us. But I think the investment in roofing companies across the board, honestly, it's going to make other roofing companies need to invest, right? Just to keep up, right? Because there's money coming, there's investment coming, there's processes and other improvements that are going to make each business better. And to stay competitive, I think a lot of companies are going to have to do that too. So I think that's a good thing for the industry, make it more professional. Make it every company's got a reputation, right? You got to uphold that reputation, be a strong performer in your market. So that's it's coming. So I think it's going to be a good thing for every business.
I agree. And if you're interested in learning more about what Kyle does or other private equity platforms that are out there, we have a link. I will put this in the comments or in the description of this video. Make sure to hit that link and fill out the form if you want to talk more. We've got some great private equity platforms that you guys can connect with that could potentially help bring your business to the next level. So I appreciate you guys being here, and come see us at Roofing Process or IRE. We'll probably be out there. We'll have the same setup. You can come in, hang out, get a free t-shirt, get some free giveaways, which we got to give away some stuff today. Thank you so much, Kyle. Appreciate it, brother. Thank you.
Thanks for having us.
Thanks for joining us today on the American Contractor Show. Be sure to subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and leave your comments below. We'll see you guys in the next one.